Roadside emergencies never happen at the right time, and when you're stuck with a flat tire, the last thing you want is a slow or unreliable jack. That's where a good electric car jack makes all the difference. It's fast, easy to use, and takes the effort out of lifting your vehicle safely. The best ones offer strong lifting power, stable performance, and simple controls without costing a fortune. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric car jacks that combine speed, safety, and convenience. Whether for emergencies or regular maintenance, these picks have you covered. Check the description for the latest deals and updated links. The 5th product on our list is the ROGTZ Electric Hydraulic Jack. The ROGTZ Electric Hydraulic Car Jack is one of the best budget-friendly choices for emergency use. It will deliver fast lifting performance, reliable safety, and a complete emergency solution without spending too much. It can make tire changes quick, simple, and stress-free. At its core, this jack gives impressive speed and power. With a 12-volt motor and efficient hydraulic system, you can lift vehicles to 5 tons in as little as 60 seconds, reaching a maximum height of 17.7 inches. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, you get smooth and effortless lifting without the struggle of manual tools. The experience gets even better with its built-in tire inflator. You can inflate a standard car tire in about 2 minutes while monitoring the pressure in real time, ensuring accuracy and safety. Moreover, with multiple nozzles included, you're not limited to just cars. You can also handle bikes and other inflatables. The automatic stop feature prevents overloading, while the self-locking design keeps your vehicle stable during lifting. You also get LED and warning lights, making nighttime or roadside repairs much safer and more visible. This car jack comes with a toolbox, sockets, gloves, and accessories, giving you everything you need in one place. It's portable, organized, and ready whenever you need it. If you want a fast, safe, and affordable electric car jack that covers all the essentials, the ROGTZ kit is a smart and reliable choice. The 4th place on our list is the E-heelp Electric Jack. This E-heelp Electric Car Jack is the best choice for multiple vehicle types. You can buy this if you want a lifting performance combined with safety, convenience, and all-in-one functionality. Whether you're dealing with unexpected tire issues or regular maintenance, this car jack can make the entire process fast and effortless. You will get a strong hydraulic system that can lift vehicles up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes, reaching a height range of 6.1 to 17.7 inches. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, MPV, or truck, it handles the job smoothly with minimal effort, giving you confidence every time you use it. You can quickly pump up a flat tire while monitoring the pressure in real time, so you're never left stranded in the middle of nowhere. It's a huge advantage during emergencies or long road trips. With dual power options, you can connect it through your car's cigarette lighter or directly to the battery, making it easy to use in different situations. Also, the waterproof connectors allow you to operate safely even in rainy conditions. You'll also appreciate the thoughtful safety features. The overload protection system automatically stops the jack if it exceeds its limit, while the anti-slip design improves stability during lifting. The built-in LED lights help you clearly see your working area, even in complete darkness. Whether you're at home, on the road, or in a remote location, this jack is built to support you. Do you want a safe and easy-to-use electric car jack that you can rely on anytime? The E-heelp Electric Car Jack is an excellent choice. The 3rd product on our list is the VEVOR Electric Jack. If you're looking for the best reliable electric car jack with advanced functionality, the VEVOR 5-ton electric car jack is the perfect pick. It's built to deliver a fast, effortless, and stress-free tire changing experience. It combines strong lifting performance with smart features, making it a must-have tool for both emergencies and everyday garage use. At its core, this jack offers an impressive 5-ton lifting capacity, making it perfect for sedans, SUVs, MPVs, and even trucks. With a lifting range of 6.1 to 17.7 inches, you can easily raise your vehicle in about 2 minutes, saving you time and effort compared to manual jacks. Just press a button and you're good to go. The experience gets even better with its high-efficiency electric impact wrench. With up to 450 Newton meters of torque, You can remove or tighten lug nuts in seconds, even if they're stuck or overly tight. The included socket sizes make it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, giving you flexibility in any situation. VEVOR has also focused on convenience and emergency readiness. The built-in tire inflator pump lets you quickly inflate a flat tire, while the pressure display helps you monitor everything in real time. Also, the LED work light ensures you can safely operate even in low light or nighttime conditions. Power flexibility is another big advantage. You can run it using your car's cigarette lighter or directly from the battery, and the long power cable allows easy access to all 4 tires. If you want a reliable, efficient, and all-in-one electric car jack that makes roadside emergencies easier and faster to handle, the VEVOR 5-ton electric car jack could be your perfect choice. The second product on our list is the TYAYT Electric Jack. This TYAYT 5-ton electric car jack is the best premium car jack for higher durability and smooth performance. If you want fast, effortless tire changes with maximum convenience and safety, you can buy it. Whether you're tired of struggling with manual jacks or dealing with roadside emergencies, this powerful jack can handle everything in minutes. When you start using it, you will get simplicity and efficiency. With a 12-volt electric hydraulic system, you can lift vehicles up to 5 tons in about 2 minutes, reaching a height range of 6.1 to 17.7 inches. Whether you're driving a sedan or SUV, it gives you the strength and stability you need without any physical effort. You're not just getting a jack, you also get an impact wrench, tire inflator, LED light, and warning light. That means you can lift the car, remove bolts, inflate tires, and work safely even in low-light conditions, all with one compact kit. Performance and safety go hand in hand here. The heavy-duty steel structure and self-locking system keep the jack stable, even during power loss. It also automatically stops at maximum height or overload, giving you extra protection while you work. The built-in air pump with a pressure display lets you monitor and inflate your tires easily, which is perfect for unexpected situations. Moreover, with dual power options and a long power cable, you can reach all 4 tires without hassle. If you want a powerful, reliable, and fully equipped car jack that makes tire changes quick, safe, and stress-free, this electric jack might be your premium choice. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Trihelper Hydraulic Jack. The Trihelper 5-ton electric hydraulic car jack is the best overall choice for dual power options. It will be perfect if you want a powerful, all-in-one solution for fast, effortless tire changes without relying on manual tools. It combines lifting, inflation, and bolt removal into one compact kit, making it one of the most practical tools you can keep in your car. When you use it, everything feels quick and simple. With its 12-volt motor, you can plug it directly into your car's cigarette lighter and lift vehicles to 5 tons in just about 2 minutes. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or even a small truck, it handles the job smoothly with just the press of a button. What really makes your experience better is the included electric impact wrench. It delivers strong torque with low noise, helping you remove stubborn bolts quickly without struggling. The 360-degree rotation gives you more flexibility, so you can work comfortably in tight spaces. You also get a built-in air compressor, which inflates tires at an impressive rate, saving you time during emergencies. Moreover, the integrated LED light makes nighttime tire changes much easier and safer, especially on dark roads. Safety is another big advantage. The automatic stop at maximum height prevents overlifting, while the built-in circuit breaker protects against overload. And if you need to, you can safely lower the jack manually. This kit is perfect for road trips, emergencies, or everyday garage use. If you want a reliable, dual-power, and easy-to-use car jack that handles everything in one package, the Trihelper Electric Hydraulic Car Jack is an excellent choice. That's all for our list of the top 5 best electric car jacks on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.